Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera app is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your camera app isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to access your camera app, and here if you are able to access your camera app is completely black, but you can open your camera app. So you can try to click on these four dots, click on settings, and here go to software update or about camera action, and you have to make sure that you are the latest version on your camera, because sometimes it might be due to a pending update you might see these type errors. But if you're unable to open your camera app, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing I recommend, go to settings, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is up to date. You might have a pending software update. If your software update is here, so you can try to download and install it, and just wait until the update downloads and installed on your phone, and then retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not working for you, open your camera app here, or just keep a lumpus on your camera app. Click on this info button here, and just go to storage. Click on clear cache. You can also completely clear data, and let's go back. Click on this for stop. Click OK. Now once you have done, scroll down your control center, click on the power icon, click on restart, and just click on restart option again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.